Did I miss anybody?
Okay. Si Rico Ablang. Lalagay ko sa YouTube ito.
Ano ba dahil tayo YouTube?
Tignan mo.
Ano doon?
Iano ko sa
I'd like to acknowledge the presence of
Amethyst
Miss Catherine
83 SJA.
Carl Mendoza, you should be aware of your English language, no? Hindi. Dahil you said you wanted to recognize the alumni. You have not told me. 1940.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Takot ako doon, kala ko mali yung English mo.
Easy.
You know,
Alex, ano yan? Anong nangyari?
Miss Manaris, kala mali yung yung pala, kasi alumni. He should have acknowledged her.
Ay, anong pangalan mo?
Miss Manaris.
Of course, now we're all busy, but still all these people made their time, stayed here late at night just to prepare for today.
So, makuha yung video ni Mrs. Presidio, lapit tayo.
Because without them, this is
Ayan, nakuha ka. Tumingin sa tayo.
Tumingin sa'yo,
Lagay ko sa
lagot.
YouTube. Tama na to. Ang dami ko ilan.
Are we ready for